Alright, good morning. It's 2:58. Actually, we've been up for a little while now. Currently have some cartoons on because little man here runs on Eastern Standard Time, not Hawaii time. Alright, here we are, Manoa Falls. About to do the hike. Let's go have some fun. Alright, we're 7 minutes in and I'm breathing heavy. It's humid, it's hot, but it's fun. How you doing, Jack? He's got heavy eyes. Uh-oh, flash flood warning.
What's that? What's flash fun?
Cool bridge.
Ooh, look at it.
Come on.
Imagine a frog. That's what is that? It's made of trees. Hammer, look.
What is that?
Alright, we're 16 minutes in. How's everyone feeling?
Good. Taking a water break.
Stay hydrated, my friends.
How you feeling, Mr. Dan?
How you doing, Jack? How's the hike so far?
Like it? Look at me. Oh, he's looking. He's just trying to reach up for the tree. There's the cheese.
Dad, go in the back.
See? That's not fair. What is that?
I got it.
Are they like a little rectangle? No. Turn around for a sec. Turn around. Like you feel accomplished. Yeah.
Hurry the first one.
Alright, we made it to the waterfall.
No, go around.
Good hike. About 30 minutes to get here.
Go, go. Cheese. What do you think?
Alright, going down, much easier than going up.
I said I could do it.
Jack's just looking around, enjoying the views. Hey, buddy. Brooklyn and Mama back there. Everyone's doing good. Enjoying the hike. Alright, just about done the Manoa Falls Trail. We're going to be heading to the Nu'uanu Point Lookout. It'll be a short drive. Manoa Falls was good.
Mama?
Just got to see the waterfall, which is lucky. It's not always running.
Come on.
Sometimes if it's too dry, there's no actual water going down. Took us about an hour to hike up and down. Pretty steady flow of people from all ages, young, old. Not a very strenuous hike, just a bit long. Overall, really good. We enjoyed ourselves. And now we'll see you at the lookout. Yeah. All right, after a successful hike, there's one thing you got to do before you leave. Success. Hike well done. Bye, Manoa Falls. All right, we just arrived at the Nu'uanu Pali Lookout. Say cheese. Awesome.
Yes, I love it. Yeah, good.
Wow, this is quite the view. This looks awesome. After the lookout, we went to the Botanical Garden, which it ended up being more of a drive-through. We got there kind of close to their closing time, so we didn't have time to get out and actually walk the trails or see much of the plants. So we actually left even earlier. We just drove the whole little strip and then headed out because there wasn't a whole lot. We thought there'd be more flowers, but like I said, we didn't have time to do the walk to the lake or anything. And we were all pretty much walked out with the hike. So from there, we went and got dinner at Buzz's Original Steakhouse. It was really good. I had a prime rib steak. Pretty good. Brooklyn got some linguine pasta that she didn't really like the cheese on. And I think Mom got shrimp scampi, which she said was really good. Mom also got a drink, and she thought that was good as well. So overall, Buzz's Steakhouse was really good. Now we're at a beach, just hanging out here. Jax fell asleep, as you can see, but pretty beautiful beach, and we're just enjoying ourselves before we make the trek home.